Folks, this is what happens when you get a 22-year-old scared of a cicada.
Whatever, you the one running around with it. Shut up.
Lets him in the door.
You told me to go in the door. You said go in the door while he's not there. So I go in the door and he followed me in the door. It's not my fault.
Now you people know teenage kids ain't listening to what their parents be telling them. And this is definitely one that ain't listening.
Bullshit. I listened. You said come in, so I came in and it followed me. It's your fault.
Pitiful. And then, when we're fishing, he decides to leave his Coke can and then wonders why we have ants.
You got ants on the outside, not the inside.
There's one on my bed.
You stink. Yeah, you dirty. It ain't my
They,
fault.
unbelievable. Unbelievable.
None on my bed.
Unbelievable.
Mine's on the ground.
Folks, if you can avoid it, don't have them. See, he's running.
Yeah. Shut up. Get out of here with that nonsense.
It's a cicada.
You ran from it when it was dive bombing you. Yeah.
Pitiful. See, this is our cabin. This is his little area right here.
I ain't sleeping in there.
He's not sleeping there. Spiders. He's scared. This is my little area.
I should get because I paid for it.
Right. Anyway, that's dinner. See, we got some catfish we caught today. Got some bratwurst. Yeah, he caught today because, yeah, I wasn't really catching anything. I've caught maybe 10 fish all weekend that really count. And lost big ones, but he's had big ones. Caught catfish. He's got one lure that just, nothing can beat it. I don't know what it is, but it just happens. So, it is what it is. But, as you can see, there he is. On his hind end. I'll turn it sideways. On his hind end, looking at...
You screamed.
You didn't hear that.
You screamed like a girl.
You didn't hear that. I heard nothing either. At that point, it's time to go. Peace out, Facebook people. I'ma get him.
You screamed.
I'ma get him. Peace.